Alrighty everyone, so today we're going to be replacing a inducer motor that has gone bad on this almost 20-year-old Payne. There's the new motor right there. Hopefully it is not a pain to do. Anyways, so first things first, you gotta take the cover off. And as always, these videos are mainly for demo purposes, not really DIY. I think if you're a homeowner, you should probably not do your own repairs on your HVAC. But yeah, you know, everyone can do whatever they think is right, I guess. So anyways, I already unplugged it, because you can see there. Here's the plug. Unplug it. Shut the gas off. Come on. That thing's pretty hard. There we go. Whew. Now we're going to go ahead and shut the gas valve off. Here's our inducer motor. So we're going to go ahead and undo this bracket right here. Okay. Just to put that off to the side, because it may be in the way later on. Come on. You know what? I'm going to have to put this thing down. Alright. Disconnect our power here. Put these off to the side. And then we're going to do our bolts. So we have 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'm gonna make sure we get this little old seal off of here. There shouldn't be too much on there. "20 years later, there's not much left of this little gasket or seal, whatever you want to call it. Okay. Give it a spin. Sounds good. Give it this. gas valve on.